Okay, so I am literally in love with this Screencast-O-Matic. It is so cool. Like, this lined box, obviously you can't see what I'm pointing. Actually, yeah, I can use my arrow. See, like, this is the outer part, like, my arrow is tracing along it. And, am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. What is this? Get rid of that. Oh, confirm your account. We don't need that. So I can show you my super duper cool, I'm gonna move myself over here. My super awesome Family of Fish. So this is my Family of Fish Signathidae, The Weird Twist of Nature. This presentation is by Anicia, Kristen, Sangeeta, and me. Why didn't it do the thing? Oh, there it is. Boom. 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 Sorry, I love this. This is so neat. Seahorse, leafy sea dragon, and pipefish. We are going to discuss the male reproduction of all three of these species and then discuss some theories on why and how male reproduction evolved. Anicia did not finish her slide. Oh. Yeah, did you see that? The pipefish, cool peer-reviewed journal, study on polyandry, seahorse, ooh. Well, this is cool, the courtship, they like dance together, and they hold tails, and they'll change color, and the scientists believe that the reason why they dance is actually it reinforces their bonding because they are monogamous life mates. Typically, there's always the exceptions, but the dance is very important because they tell each other their reproductive status, if she's ready or if he's ready, all that good stuff. Mating, this is super weird. You see like this little tube thing? You think, traditional sex, we think, the male impregnates the female. No, this is the female right here. She's the female, and this is the male. You can tell by the male because the males are found attractive by the females if they got a big old belly, because it means they can have a lot of babies. So this is actually her ovipositor. It's like in our traditional thinking, it's like a penis, and she doesn't impregnate him, but like she puts her eggs in him, and he uses his sperm, and he mixes it all together. So that's pretty cool, I think. I mean, it's weird, it's bizarre, but it's cool. Some genetics, they found this really cool gene that's obviously not found in other species because it's involved in male pregnancy, and in the genome of the seahorse, there's 6 different copies. And then some other reasons why the seahorse is very unusual to other sea animals. And these are my theories. No one is left behind, meaning that in our way of thinking, when a male impregnates a female, sometimes there's sperm that doesn't make it to the egg. This way, if she inserts her eggs into him, he can mix his sperm, and no sperm will swim away or whatever. And then his own genes and traits, he will know that the babies are his, because obviously if a female is pregnant, they can be anyone's babies. He won't know 100% for sure. This way, if he carries them and gives birth to them himself, they are his. And then number 3, better to be monogamous. In the ocean, it's a very scary place, and it's better to be monogamous and not promiscuous, so you can be together. You have someone to mate with and to pass your own genetic information, and their tails are prehensile. They can hold tails so they won't fall apart. I think that's a little far-fetched, but it's a theory. Maybe a hypothesis. Maybe a theory is a bad word to use because you can't just throw around the word theory. And then the sea dragons. That's not my part, so I'm going to stop this now.